Today in this video we are going to solve some numerical problem based on line segment, line and range. I have a request to my YouTube viewer or listener. If you are getting any problem to understand the problem based on line segment, line and rays, kindly see my earlier videos which I uploaded in YouTube. The link of all such videos are given in a description box. Now, our first question. Write down a line segment in below figure. Options are given here: A, this one, B, this one, C, D, and E. None of these. In this question, you have to tell which one is a line segment. I think you have seen my earlier video about a line segment. The definition of a line segment is a straight path which both the end points are fixed is called a line segment. So check which condition is fulfilled here. See, this is a curved path, this is not a straight path, so this option is not correct. Second, see, here one point is fixed and another point is not fixed, so this option is also not correct. See, third option, both the end points are not fixed, or you can say it can be extended up to infinity, so this option is also not correct for the solution. And the option D, see, these 2 points are fixed here and the length is also fixed, so as per definition of a line segment, this answer is correct. So correct answer is D here. Now we will solve the other question. See, write down the line in given figure. See, here is a triangle whose vertex are A, B and C and PQR. Here also a given line. So now the question is, write down the line in given figure. Line, you know about the definition of a line. A line means both the end points are not a fixed. It means both the ends can either side extended up to infinity. So we check one by one here. See, AB is here a fixed length of a triangle, so it does not fulfill the definition. So AB cannot be a line. AB is a fixed length, so it is a line segment. For BC also same and AC also same. Now check this segment PQ. This fulfill our definition of a line PQ because both the ends are not the fixed or it can be extended up to infinity. So answer is PQ. Or in mathematics you can write like this. See, PQ is here, answer here. So PQ is here a line. Now we will take another example. Now question number 3. Write down sum of the number of line, segment, line and rays in below figure. Now see the figure. Now we solve the question one by one. Now the first question is a line segment here. For the better understanding for you guys, I make the line segment by a black color in the figure. So see here OM is a line segment. Why? Because as per definition of a line segment, the 2 point must be a fixed point. Here O and M are the 2 fixed point and the length is also fixed. So OM is a line segment here. Now answer for the line segment is number of line segment is equal to 1. Now next question, number of line. So we also make the line in black color here. See, as per definition of a line, the 2 end points are not fixed and it could be extended up to infinity in either direction. Here in this direction too. Okay, so here PQ is an example of a line and CD is also a example of a line. So number of lines here 2. This one is a 1, this one is a 2. So our answer for a line is number of line is equal to 2 here. Now next you have to calculate number of rays in this figure. So we count one by one here. See, as per definition of rays, you know 1 point must be fixed. So see, this M point is fixed here, then 3 rays are here. Now count one by one. See, this is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. Okay, or you can say MD is a ray, MQ is also a ray, or M and MC is also a ray here. Now fourth one, OP is also a ray. This one is a fourth one. Now OA is also a ray. This is fifth one. So now answer is fifth or it is also a different. Guys, the how the student make a mistake here. See, or you can think a little bit. I will make a answer which rays we have left here. Now see, we have left here a ray MP, which one is a sixth one, and OQ is also a ray, this one is a seventh one. Now number of rays is equal to 7 here. The sum of the number of line segment comma line and rays equal to 10. How 10 will come? See here, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Now take another example, or you can say fourth question. See, write down number of line and rays in below figure. See the figure here. See here, only one line is present, which is PQ. So number of line is equal to 1. What about the number of rays? Now we count rays one by one. As per definition of ray, you know, one point of the ray is fixed and other point could be extended up to infinity. So see here, OB is also an example of a ray. This one is the first one. Now OQ is example of a ray. Second one. OA is also example of a ray. Third one. Now OP is example of a ray. Fourth one. Now our answer is number of rays equal to 4 here. Now we take the next example. Now question number 5. See, write down sum of the number of lines and line segments in below figure. See, here we calculate number of line here. First, see, this is an example of a line PQ, because both the ends are not fixed and RS is also a line here, UB is also a line here, and next line is AB and next one is CD. So now total number of lines here, first one, second, third, fourth, then fifth. So answer, number of lines equal to 5. Then next question, how many number of line segments in this figure? Okay, we count this one by one. Now start from here. See, this XY is example of a line segment. First one, N and Y is example of a line segment. Second one, Now Fn is example of a line segment, third one, and Fy is example of a line segment, fourth one. Now EF is example of a line segment, fifth one. Now EM is example of a line segment, sixth one. MX is example of a line segment, seventh one. Now E and X is example of a line segment, eighth one. And now what we left, Mn. So this one is example of a line segment, ninth one. Number of line segments equal to 9 here. Okay. Now sum of these two equal to 14, or you can say sum of the number of line and line segment equal to 14. Now how it is 14? See, 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Now take another example, 6.1. Write down sum of the number of line and rays in below figure. See the. Now you guys, you always remember, when we are talking about a line segment, line, ray, the segment must be always a straight path. Okay, now we solve the question one by one. So here number of line. Okay, see this RS is example of a line here, RS. So this one is a one number, and PQ is also example of a line, then 2. Answer is number of line equal to 2 here. What about the rays? See, here we count ray one by one. First one is BS. Okay, one number BQ, second number, then CR is third one, AP is fourth one, and now what we left here, is answer is 4 or is it different? Now what we left here, see here B and R is also a example of a ray, so this one is a fifth one. Now see BP is example of a ray, so this one is a sixth one, and AQ is example of a ray, then this one is a seventh one. So our answer is here number of rays equal to 7. Sum of the number of lines and rays equal to 2 plus 7, 9. Now take another example or question. Number 7. Write down number of line segments in below figure. Okay, see a figure here. Now the question is asking to you how many line segment in this drawing. So now we count line segment one by one. As per definition of line segment, you know line segment has a fixed length. So PQ is not here a line segment, PQ is here line, and MN is also not a line segment, it is a ray here. So which one is a line segment? See, AO is a line segment, this is one. OB is also a line segment 2. Now AB is also a line segment, this one is a third one. Now see in this side, BV is also a line segment, this one is a fourth one. CB is also line segment, fifth one, and CB is also a line segment, this one is a sixth one. Now CD is a line segment, this one is a seventh one. Then D and U is a line segment 8th one, UA is a line segment 9th one, and DA is a line segment, this is a 10th one. Now see this UM is a line segment 11th one, and MB is a line segment 12th one, and UV is also a line segment 13th one, and last one is a M and O, this one is a 14th one. So total number of line segment in this figure is 14, hence answer is number of line segment, or you can say segments. So answer is 14 here. Now take another example 8.1. Write down number of rays in below figure. Okay, see, so question is asking you how many rays in this figure. So as for definition, you know in a ray one point is fixed. So which one is a ray? Here say AP is a ray, AP is a ray, and this one is the first one. Then CP is also a ray, then CP is also a ray. Then third one is AQ, AQ is also a ray, and BQ is also a ray. So total number of rays in this figure are 4. The number of rays is equal to 4. Now take another example 9th one. Write down number of line segments in below figure. See, this is a figure here. Okay, now say this is PQ, this is RS, this is A, B, C, E and F. Now question is asking to you how many line segments are present in this figure. So we count line segment in this figure one by one and make it, color it, or you can say we color the line segment in this figure by a black. So BC is a line segment first one, CF is a line segment second one, FA is a line segment third one, and this CA is also a line segment, this one is a fourth one. Then AE is a line segment is a fifth one, BE is a line segment sixth one. Now AB is a line segment, this is a seventh one, and last one is a EF is a line segment eighth one. So total number of line segment here, number of line segments equal to 8 here. Okay, now take another example, 10th one. Write down sum of the number of rays and line segment in below figure. So what is figure here? See, now see the figure. ABC is here a vertex of a right angle triangle here. Okay, now PQR is these points. Okay, now question is asking to how many rays in below figure. So number of rays in this figure equal to, see, this BP is an example of a ray, this one first, then AP is also an example of a ray, second one. Now see this one, AQ is an example of a ray, so this one is a third one, and KQ is example of a ray, so this one is a fourth one, and AR is example of a ray, this is fifth one, and CR is example of a ray, this one is a sixth one. So total number of rays here, number of rays equal to 6. Now how many line segment in this figure? See, this one AB has a fixed length, so this one is a 1, this KB is a fixed length, so this one is a 2, then 1, 2, then KC is a third one, and BC is a fourth one. Now AC is a fifth one, and AK is a sixth one. So number of line segments equal to 6 here. Hope guys you enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family so that they also get benefit from this video. Thank you very much. Have a